Shut up and sit down.
Welcome to my channel Seed Tech. I am Siddhant Sharma and today we are going to unbox Canon 250D, which we called it SM3 also. Okay, let's get started. This is a first one having 4K on budget camera. This has 24.1 megapixel. Let's open it. Okay, so now we are going to open what is inside. There is one manual book. Okay, after that let's see the strap. This is Canon strap. Let's open it. Like this strap, so it will be easier to handle the camera for you. After that there is one charger. This one you should use with the charger box, so you can charge your battery. After that we have lens. This is our basic lens, 18 to 55 mm kit lens. So you can buy the camera with the lens also and without lens also. So you will get only camera body also. I have ordered with the lens. Now this is our charger. So we'll keep the battery here and we'll charge it. Here is the battery. So this one is battery. So we'll keep it like this and charge it. Okay, so now this is the body, Canon EOS 250D. This is the lightest and compact DSLR right now. Now let's fix the camera. We'll put all the parts on the camera. This is micro SD card with adapter, so we have to buy it differently. We'll not get it with the camera. So now we are going to fix the battery. We'll put the battery like this. Okay, so we already put it in, so close it. Yep, now let's see the camera nicely. This is very light camera, so we have to open this cap. Okay, so here is the lens. We have the basic lens, so there are the caps also, so we'll take out the caps, and these caps are made to protect the lens from the dust. Now we have to fix the lens like this. We have to see the white dot and we have to fix it gently, so it will fix it on the correct way. So this is the button for on and off. So we on the camera. This is the mode. This one we call it autofocus mode. So this is the shutter button. So here are different types of buttons. So you can see this is ISO button. This is on off button and the video button, so we can keep on the video and we can shoot the camera videos. So this is zoom in, zoom out. Here is the preview button, delete button. So here is the HDMI and type C output. So this one also doesn't come with the HDMI out cable. Okay, so you have to buy the HDMI cable. So this is the place where we keep the mic, and this is the flashlight of the camera. I'm gonna open it. Okay, this is the light. So very nice light to focus or give the flash on your pictures or videos. So this is the place where we have the 3.5 mm jack and 2.5 mm, so we can record our voice. So the mic of this camera is not good, so we can plug the mic on it. So this is 3-inch variable LCD touch screen. So on the downside we have the place where we will fix the tripod and gimbals. This is the main lens of the body. So here is the lens. So this is the autofocus and manual focus button. So you are new to the camera, then you have to use the autofocus and shoot the videos and take the pictures. So we'll go on the basic settings of the camera, so where you can use the camera in a best way. So we'll take the picture of the bicycle. Let's see the pictures. The picture is crisp and clear. So yeah, I am going to zoom out this one. Yep, very nice. So this is the preview button. I already told you. Yeah, so you can preview whatever the pictures or videos you will take. So now we are going to keep on the scene mode. Scene mode means typically you can take the pictures on the different modes. So here is the portrait mode, smooth skin mode, group photo mode, landscape mode. There are different types of mode. Whatever mode you can use on the right time and the right place. So here is kids mode, sports mode, close-up mode and food mode, and there is one night portrait mode also. So different types of mode. Now we're gonna keep on the video mode and we'll see the video, how it shoots the video, how much quality it has. So we're gonna shoot the bicycle and the plant. This is the way to take the videos. So we're gonna click the preview button and see the video. Let's see the video. Video is brilliant. It looks smooth. So these all is the shooting settings. So you can shoot the videos on different mode, different frame per second. So here is the 4K with the 25 frame per second and full HD on 60 frame per second. There are lot of mode. You can shoot the video on different mode and different frame per second. So this is the first camera to have the 4K on the budget price. This has DGIC 8 processor. Earlier in 200D there was a DGIC 7 processor. This is the latest processor used on this camera. Now we're gonna have the GorillaPod 1K. 1K means it will hold up to 1 kg. So this can bend it any type or any way. So it's very comfortable to use with the camera. So I'm going to fix with the camera. Let's screw it tightly. Okay, this is the handy tripod. So you can use on the blogging also, while doing blogging or while shooting your videos, own videos. You can keep on the table or anything and you can shoot like this. Right now you are watching this video from Canon 250D. This is the best camera for blogging and beginners. If you like my video, please hit the like button, subscribe my channel and don't forget to on the bell icon. So thanks for watching our video. Thank you so much.